Hello! One more week of break before school starts, so I need to finish these videos because I forgot for the past few days that I still had more videos to do. This was another one of those Nancy Bubble Girls. I think this was like a folktale edition. I wanted that pink one, but let's see which one I get. And the other day I went to Tesso and Daiso and saw what the on-brand version of these Nancy Bubble Girls looks like. The box is like twice as big as the one that I got. So now I know. But I think this was actually one of the better quality off-brand versions. So I ended up getting this orange guy or girl, which I feel like was one of the uglier options, honestly. But it's fine. It's a little better quality than my other ones, so it wasn't too bad.